Students, in this video we are going to learn the solutions for problem number 1 and problem number 2 in the exercise 6.1. Now the first problem here. Prove that cot theta plus tan theta equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. So to prove this we take first cot theta plus tan theta. Now we go for the substitution for cot theta and tan theta. What is that? Cot theta is written as cos theta by sin theta and tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So this substitutions we are going to use here. Now cot theta is written as cos theta by sin theta and tan theta is written as sin theta by cos theta. Now we are going to add by means of cross multiplication. Now in denominator we get sin theta into cos theta and in numerator cos theta into cos theta cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta sin square theta. So in numerator we get cos square theta plus sin square theta and we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Therefore the problem becomes 1 by sin theta into cos theta and this can be written as 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. Now we know that sin theta into cosecant theta equals to 1. Therefore cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. So for here 1 by sin theta we can write cosecant theta and moreover cos theta into secant theta equals to 1. Therefore secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Therefore for 1 by cos theta we can write secant theta and this can be written as secant theta into cosecant theta. This is the solution for this problem. Now we move on to the second part of problem number 1. Prove that tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. So now first we take the left hand side, tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. Now from these two we can take tan square theta common. From tan power 4 theta if we take tan square theta we get here tan square theta and we take tan square theta completely, here I get 1. So the problem will change as tan square theta into tan square theta plus 1. Now we go for the identity. What is tan square theta plus 1 equals to secant square theta and we take this 1 to RHS, we get tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. So these are the two substitutions we are going to use to solve the problem. Now here see tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1 and tan square theta plus 1 equals to secant square theta. Now you multiply. Secant square theta into secant square theta gives you secant power 4 theta minus 1 into secant square theta gives you secant square theta and this is how the problem is solved. Now we move on to problem number 2. First of all, prove that 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. Okay, we start with the LHS. 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1 equals to. Now we all know that tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. Therefore for cot theta we can substitute 1 by tan theta. When cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, what is cot square theta will be 1 by tan square theta. So here the problem changes as 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta place I write 1 by tan square theta minus 1. Now in numerator there is no change. We write as it is 1 minus tan square theta. And denominator here we have to do cross multiplication. On doing so I get 1 minus tan square theta divided by tan square theta. Now this tan square theta is taken to numerator. That gives you tan square theta into 1 minus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Now 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta gets cancelled, and the final answer is going to be tan square theta. And this is how the problem is solved. Now we move on to the second part of second problem. Prove that cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equals to secant theta minus tan theta. So first we take the LHS, cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. Now I am going to multiply this with 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, so that the value do not change. Now in numerator we get cos theta into 1 minus sin theta, and in denominator you see we have a 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, which is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, whose product is a square minus b square. So here 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta will become a square, that is 1 square, 1 minus b square, that is sin square theta. Now we have the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Now take sin square theta to RHS. So we get cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore here we can substitute 1 minus sin square theta as cos square theta. And now the next step will be cos theta into 1 minus sin theta by cos square theta is written as cos theta into cos theta. Now cos theta gets cancelled, and that gives you 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, which is written as 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Now cos theta into secant theta equals to 1. Therefore secant theta will be equal to 1 by cos theta. Therefore for 1 by cos theta we write secant theta, and we know that sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. And this is how the problem is solved. I hope you enjoyed this video, children. Thank you very much.